Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block the software from installing in Windows, downloading from Windows. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward process. The first thing you want to go type the reset and run as an administrator. Okay, once you do that, go to the but before you want to make this change, make sure you um uh, do the backup for your files, whatever you want to do. Make sure you back up that. Okay, just doing the backup, just go to export and select the desired file and create your file and just start backup. Okay, once you've done that, the backup, all you gotta do is go to the local machine and go to the software and go to class, and here you're going to select any folder for to search that uh, ms package, msi package. Okay, here I found this, and open this, and there is the default icon. Double click that and double click this default. Okay, here only we're going to change this 0, the value 0, okay, to 1. Once you make this change value 1, then restart your computer, and this will you know stop blocking any software in Windows. Hope this video is helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.
Tell me pretty lies.